Hey everyone! Here we will take a look at understanding a check, specifically how to read its routing number and account number. And knowing this info can really come in handy. Let's start with the basics. When you look at the bottom of a check, you'll see a series of numbers. It might seem like just a random string of digits, but each of those numbers has a very specific purpose. First up, the routing number. This is usually the first set of 9 numbers on the left side of the check. It's like an address that tells the bank where the check is coming from. Think of it as the bank's zip code. Every bank has its own unique routing number, and it's used to identify that particular bank in transactions. So, if you're setting up a direct deposit, paying bills, or even transferring money, you'll often need this number. It's crucial in ensuring that your money is going to and coming from the right place. Next, right next to the routing number, you'll find your account number. This is typically longer than the routing number, anywhere from 10 to 12 digits, and it's unique to your specific account within that bank. Think of this as your apartment number within the bank's big building. If the routing number is the address of the bank, your account number is your unique spot in that location. When you're transferring money or setting up certain payments, companies will ask for this number to ensure they're dealing with the correct individual account. There's also a third set of numbers, usually the shortest one, and that's the check number. This is pretty straightforward. It simply matches the number at the top right corner of the check and is used to keep track of and reference each check you write. So, while it's true that we're shifting more and more towards digital transactions, there are still times when understanding checks can be really beneficial. Maybe you're receiving a bonus from work, setting up a direct deposit, or even just double-checking your bank statements. Having a good understanding of these numbers can give you more control and clarity over your finances. So, the next time you find yourself with a check in hand or need to share banking details, you'll know exactly where to look and what those numbers mean.